My name is Thomas Dickerson. I built a 1967 Shelby Mustang Fastback. This car started out life as a normal fastback. I did all the work on it, started it from frame up, did all the body work, paint work, and all the Shelby modification to make this car what it is now. Underneath and in the engine bay, I start with a small block 289. It's paired by a Tremec 5-speed Warner World Class transmission. And in the rear, it's an 8-inch 355 Aussie lock differential with 275 rear tires in the back. So the transmission, I've been able to get that all put together by Modern Driveline. They helped me out big time on figuring out what parts to use. This is the very first car I've ever built, so it was kind of it was hard for me to figure out what company to use, even what parts to use, because it's when you're dealing with transmissions, you got to be very careful on what parts. So everything's very tight tolerance. So I used my small block 289, used the original Bellhouse. Brett at Modern Driveline actually sold me an adapter plate that bolts up the World Class transmission to my OEM Bellhouse. So I didn't have to get a different Bellhouse or anything. And basically, once you have that, you can do a mock fit, make sure everything fits, and then they even sell a cross member. And once everything was bolted in, everything fits. I did not run into any issues. The hydraulic clutch, it also has a hydraulic clutch from Modern Driveline. With a brake booster, you do have to be a little bit careful. It can be very tight. You have to use an 8-inch factory brake booster to use the Modern Driveline clutch. You've got about 1/8 of an inch between in tolerance. It's very tight. I'm very pleased with the hydraulic clutch system on this car. It works phenomenal, much better than a cable or mechanical clutch. Their service is far beyond any other I've come across with transmissions. That's why when I'm looking for parts on my car, the first thing I start with is either trying to find good customer service or parts being made in the USA. I find it a lot easier to work with parts like that, especially companies. They're willing to back up their product and actually come out and help you if you need it. And Brett over there, he's been super helpful. I'll call him up on the phone if I have any questions, and they're more than happy to answer any questions I have.